Adjust the chain tension by moving the motor base using the tensioning screws. Recheck and maintain alignment as you tension the chain. The correct chain tension is based on the 2% sag rule. With all of the slack rolled to the upper strand, it should sag 2% of the span under its own weight. 13 inches times 0.02 equals 0.26 inches, or approximately 1/4 inch. No pressure other than the weight of the chain itself should be applied when measuring the sag. Secure the motor mounting bolts and recheck the tension. Readjust if needed. Unlike a belt, since it is not under tension, the chain can be removed and reinstalled without moving the sprockets. This allows removal to more accurately check final alignment of the sprockets. Reinstall the chain to complete the job. Make sure the chain runs freely. Excess tension will show as vibration or binding. Initial lubrication would be performed in an actual installation scenario. Disassembly is accomplished by removing the bolts securing the hub to the sprocket. The hub will be firmly wedged in the sprocket. Use the same bolts to force the two components apart. The threaded holes will not be in alignment with any holes in the hub, allowing the bolts to push against the surface of the hub, forcing it out of the sprocket bore. Again, the bolts should be tightened gradually and uniformly to provide evenly distributed force to separate the components. Repeat the process to remove the sprocket from the gearbox shaft. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.